The Apply Transform feature in SimLab Composer is a tool that locks an object's position, rotation, and scale at their current values, effectively resetting these properties to 0 without physically moving or altering the object in the scene. This feature is particularly useful when you've positioned an object exactly where you want it, but need to set it as the new default or neutral state for further adjustments, animation, or alignment. Before using the Apply Transform feature, ensure your model is fully prepared, as this feature will not work if certain conditions exist. The transformation cannot be applied if there are animations or sequences attached, if the model is part of a scene state, or if duplicates of the model are present. Now let's begin. First, open your project in SimLab Composer and locate the model you want to apply transformations to. Then, select the model that you want to apply the transformation to. Then, navigate to the Properties section and click on the Apply Transform button. Then, after applying the transformation, the model will have its transformations effectively reset.